In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Evoque Global EA 6.5 MT4 on my Vantage Markets account for months. And zounds, it's elevated my euros to plus 242.88% gains, with the panache of a parodic potentate. A Telegram trickster touted it as the EA that turns trend following into tragicomedy for bears, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Evoque-esque emperor of entries. The zip folder for the Evoque Global EAV 6.5 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and a manual as terse as a taxman's tease. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Evoque Global EA V6.5 MT4 to EURUSD's M1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFX book as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Evoque Global EAV 6.5 MT4 parades, its plus 242.88% absolute gain escapade on Vantage Markets since June 2024, ballooning 15,000 euros deposits into 49,035 euros balance with 34,035 euros profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.22% chuckles, monthly 6.89% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 80%, meaning 302 of 377 trades winners, 122 longs at 82%, 121 shorts at 78%, way above the 60% benchmark for trend followers that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 18.25 pips/3 euros, 89 cents per pop, while losses are reined in at minus 43.95 pips/minus 5 euros, 51 cents thanks to the Evoque Global EAV 6.5 MT4's built-in adaptive stops and trailing features that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net pips? 1,841. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile EURUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdown's only 12.86% absolute, max 50.22% relative, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible at 0%. Profit factor of 2.91 more than covers it. For every euro risked, you're pulling in nearly 3 back. Sharp Ratio's 0.19 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings, and the Z-score of 99% against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? Zilch on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of 6.1 pips 2 euros 6 cents per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 1 day for those M1 precision entries. This month's analytics? Up 6.89% already, with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 240% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this Evoque Global EAV 6.5 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fire the Evoque Global EAV 6.5 MT4 on MT4 with 3,003,528 ticks from August 2025 data and solid numbers. Total net profit, 800 euros and 34 cents on a 10,000 euro start, gross profits 1,265 euros, edging out losses of minus 465 euros for that clean edge. 73 trades total, win rate 37% on shorts especially, average trade length about 1 day, and max drawdown under 37% relative. Solid for trend plays, no red flags here that make me hesitate on live deployment. So, wrapping this up, if the Evoque Global EAV 6.5 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below. including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Evoque Global EA V6.5 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks!